Hey guys, welcome back to our Texas Homestead. Today we're going to do a quick video of how to do omelets. I'm going to do it in cast iron, show it can be done, and show you how I make some omelets. We're actually missing a couple ingredients that I usually make. Sorry, it's thundering outside and I got a scared dog apparently. So, 4 eggs, okay? Add a little bit of milk, almost a large splash, okay? It doesn't take a lot. Some people add creme fraiche, some people add sour cream, milk. It's just as easy. Okay? Beat your eggs to death. I always use a spoon. I don't know if it's a rumor, wives' tale, whatever. I've always told that you can actually bruise eggs. Butter inside of a skillet. And I actually have this on pretty much low. Where's my deals? Okay. I have to be able to move the skillet. So I'm going to have to use this. We usually have little handle covers for them. Just walk it around, get all the liquid into the skillet itself. You can always overlay it on top of each other. I always try to scrape just to get any extra off of it. You notice I do have it off the fire right now, which is normal to do for cooking any kind of omelets. Okay. Your pan's your heat, not your fire. If you need a little extra heat to it, it's not doing what you want, you can add it back. But this was a hot skillet sitting here while I was getting set up. Now I need a little bit of salt and pepper. Do not salt it until your liquid's gone. If you put salt in a runny egg, it's going to make it more runny. Take you a little bit of spinach. And here comes the fun part. I always get 2 spatulas just because I'm terrible at it. You don't have to be perfectly good at it to be able to make it. Alright. Now, while you're letting that side cook, bring in your other ingredients. Bring in some onion. This is actually for one of my kids, so there's not a lot of tomato on it. Heavy on the ham. And heavy on the cheese. Just give it a few seconds. Don't take long. And this is, as I said, it's a 4-egg omelet. So they are a little big. You have to get underneath it and roll it. Okay. Hand me the cheese. I always try to top mine off with a little bit of cheese and give it a little bit of time to melt. Doesn't have to be long. And if you have a lid, it will help you melt that top cheese. I can't get them out of mine right now because my kids can't put up dishes correctly. I'm sure y'all can relate. I'm sure I did it when I was a kid. But maybe not as bad as them. They're terrible at it. Make sure you just slice up some of that sausage, put on his plate. I'm losing heat on the edges of this, but it'll still be fine. Like I said, this is going to be a quick video. We're making some toast over in the corner. I usually add bell pepper, sausage, bacon, but for a nice, cheap, quick meal, this is what I had in the house, and this is what it's getting. Cheese is melting down pretty well. And no, you're not burning the bottom of that egg. All right. See? Not burnt. Browned, yes, which it's good. There's your nice cheesy omelet. Add whatever you want in it. Can it be done in a cast iron? Absolutely. So, I would try a bite, but this is my kid's. He'd kill me. We'll catch y'all next time on Our Texas Homestead. I hope you enjoyed the quick video on how to do an omelet in a cast iron.